How to cook chicken. Get a steamer plate. If you buy a meal, Healthy Choice microwavable steamer, and then you use the plate and get some chicken breasts, boneless and skinless chicken breasts. Put it in your steamer plate. Add some water. Not too much. That'll keep the chicken moist. And use some salt. You can use different kinds of salt. Put some pepper on it. An optional thing, you can, I got some tequila lime barbecue rub, and I have garlic powder, and I have all sorts of different things I could do. And I just put a little bit of that on there. That's optional, you don't have to do that, it's just something I do. And you put it in the microwave for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, you turn it over and do the same thing on this side. Some salt, some pepper, and your barbecue, your tequila lime barbecue rub if you want it. And the second side, I do 4 to 5 minutes. About this size, I would do for 5 minutes. If it was a little bit smaller, I would do it for 4 minutes. And once that's done, you have a nice meal. The boneless and skinless chicken breasts were $12 for 12 of them, so that's about $1. And with a little banquet dollar dinner, for $2 you can have a real filling meal. Peace. Don't break the lock.